Hello, welcome to this video. I am Raphael Okan. This is an exciting project, and it's a Flask web app that integrates Tesseract OCR to extract text from images files. If you've ever had to manually type out information from an image file, you know how time consuming and tedious the process can be. That is where our apps come in. It automates the task of extracting text from images, saving you time and effort. In this video, we will give an overview of the features of our app, as well as demonstration of how it works. We will also walk you through the development process, highlight some of the challenges we faced, and how we overcame them. So whether you are a developer looking for inspiration for your next project, or just curious about the capabilities of OCR technology, this video is for you. Let's dive in. Okay, so to go through our slides, this is our table of contents, which comprises of the introduction, the problem statement, our motivation behind the project, research questions we did, tools and technology we use, proposed approach, challenges, and conclusion. And this comprises of our team: Daniel, Danso, and Abuaji and Okan Raphael, which is myself. And we got our group name DAO from our surname initials. Okay, so we just went through the introduction, which we are inundated with data in various forms, including images, PDF, scanned documents. So one thing about it is extracting text from it becomes very tedious and time consuming. So that's where our application of OCR comes into play. And our goal is to convert this data sources into digital format that can be easily processed into and analyzed. So our aim is to create a Flask web app that integrates Tesseract OCR to extract text images from files images accurately. Okay, so this article, actually this presentation I'm doing, will cover the problem statement, the motivation, our research question, tools and technology used, a proposed approach, and etc. mentioned in the content we did. Okay, so to get into our problem statement, first of all, extracting text data from images or PDF or scanned documents is time consuming and can be error prone since we are humans, and a need for accurate and reliable optical character recognition system to convert data sources into digital formats can be easily processed and analyzed. So our goal of this project is to create a Flask web app that can integrate Tesseract OCR to extract the text from image file accurately. Okay, so to go into the details of our motivation behind the project, first of all, the need to eliminate manual transcription of text from images and improve the efficiency of text extraction. Okay, so this can be applied in cases like hospital where nurses and doctors are, since they have most of their documents in this manual transcripts. The need for data extraction becomes very eminent there, and also when it comes to vehicle or automatic vehicle license plate recognition, this also comes into play. And also we provide users with a user-friendly web app that can accurately extract text from these images. Okay, so our research question, which are questions we asked ourselves while we embark on this project. Okay, so first of all, how accurate is the Tesseract OCR system in extracting text from various images? So these are some of the things we consider, and how we can integrate Tesseract OCR into Flask Web App for text extraction from images, and can it give accurate text extraction, and what's the best way to actually extract text in a readable format on web app. Okay, so the tools and technologies used here are Python. First, the Python language, that's what we use. Then we use the Flask web app framework, and then Flask SCSC, which is to convert the Flask, the CSC of the Flask. And then when it comes to the front end side, we use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Then for the back end, the Tesseract OCR, we have to install it before we install PyTesseract, and also we use Railway for the deployment, and Docker for the containerization, and Bootstrap for the front end, like icons and stuff, and GitHub to do our DevOps. Okay, so our proposed approach for this project. Okay, so we test web app with various file image formats to ensure accuracy, and I need to develop a web app that can accept image files, extract the text using Tesseract OCR, and display the extracted text in a readable format. Another is to integrate Tesseract into the Flask web app to extract the text images, and then we use HTML, CSS to create a user-friendly interface for image upload and text display. Some of the challenges we encountered and how we overcame it. Okay, so the need to ensure accuracy of the text extraction from images, especially with low quality data. We also had issues with developing a user-friendly interface that is easy to navigate and use, because working in front end is actually pretty tedious with aesthetic looks and easy navigation. And also integrating the OCR system into the Flask web app while ensuring efficient and reliable functionality. Okay, so this actually, we have to train the model for a better performance. And in conclusion, our project aims to extract text from images more accessible and efficient for users by leveraging Tesseract OCR and Flask web app development. We hope we provide a reliable and user-friendly tool for digitizing data from image files. Thank you very much. But to go into the process of our development, I'll go into. Okay, so this is some of the code we've written. This is the app.py. So this is where the main logics happen. So we imported Flask, we imported Pillow, we imported PyTesseract, and also create a allowed extension, which is PNG, JPEG, all the different kind of file images extension you can get. And we also had to so this is the function for the OCR call, which it opens the image and then you use the PyTesseract to extract the image. So this here we do the resizing of the image and then save it and produce the texted format. Okay, so this is the route for the logins and the sign up and the about page, our service page, our team. So this is basically about the routes of the HTML template, which is located here: the about, the upload, our base, our sign up, and the virtual environment we worked with is also here. Okay, so this Docker. So first of all, our Docker provides a containerization for our app, which makes it very easy for all developers, and even if you are not a developer, you can use it straight away without going through the tedious process of starting everything. Okay, and then this Docker Compose to actually make the containerization very easy. So we use the GNU General Public License, and it's right here, which you can get, and below is a README, which contains details in our GitHub README. You can find it all on our GitHub website, which I'll show you very soon. And this the tools we use are requirement.txt, which you have to install first before you can actually get access to project if you want to emulate it. And we also work with Gitpod to make it easy for deployment on Git. Okay, and Git ignore. So basically our file structure is the static, which comprises of CSS, image, JavaScript, and all the static files, and then our template, which contains of the login HTML codes, and also our main files, which are the app.py, our Docker file, our Docker Compose, our license, README, and etc. Okay, so to show you our GitHub, first of all, this our GitHub, which I provide the link in the description below, so you can check it out. You can check the GitHub, our GitHub. Okay, so below is our README, which gives the tools we used, and then our web app, how you can access it. So these are the contributors: myself, Raphael Okan, Seta Boaje, Daniel Danso. Okay, so this is our table of contents. So if you go into this, it explains our repository file structure, which will give you a great details and understanding of how everything is laid out. Okay, so a brief diagram of how OCR actually works. So we give our problem statements and our proposed approach and the tools we've used. So our project proposal demo, which you can find on YouTube, which I've provided a link in the description below, and then how HTML web app works, and then OCR in action. So this is an example of what OCR can do. It can extract the text, and then once you have logics for number plates or license detection, it can really do that real quick. So I provided how to run the application running on a local machine, which if you go through, you can actually emulate everything we did, and how we run with Docker Compose, and how we run it in Gitpod, which if you follow, you know. So to test web HTML web app, which I'll go there very soon, and then our deployment process, which we used Railways. We only use Railways for this project. So some of our, then the general license, which is saying some of the to-do research, development, testing we did. Okay, so this is our general license, and then to-do list. We researched, we developed the code, we deployed our project, we did testing, we wrote an article, and we did a video presentation. Okay, so to go into our article, you can find our article on Hashnode within my blog on Hashnode. Okay, so our article also provides very detailed explanation of how everything went. So DAO, optical character recognition to Flask web app with Tesseract OCR integration. Okay, so this is the table of contents and the introduction. We went through everything we did and how you can also do it. Okay, so go check it out for yourself. Another is on Medium. Great article right there we got, so you should definitely check it out. Okay, so to go into the details of how okay, so this Medium, yeah, very great article we got there, so go check it out. Okay, so to go into the details of how our project works, I'll click into the link. Okay, so this our login page, so you provide your logins, your username, and then your password. But if you don't have an account, just tap on the blue icon, person icon here, and it will take you to create an account page. And so you provide your username, your email, your password, and then you sign up. Okay, but since I'm having a login already, I'll just go ahead and log into the app and see how it runs. Okay, so once you enter the app, it will give you a welcome introduction to our optical character recognition tool. So if you go to the bottom to show you the result and how the result or text will be displayed, and then this our copyright, so we've copyrighted it and it's by DAO. So you choose a file, okay, so I'll choose a file, choose this file, and then I'll click on the upload button. Okay, so what we just did, what I explained, the Tesseract OCR is going to extract the text from the images and then spit it out into the image. So if you go down below, you can actually see the image here. So our results, the extracted text from the image. Okay, so you have a nice design in here where it's spit out full. You can just copy everything here, and our app is also fully responsive, which you can see for yourself. It's fully responsive, so it works on all kinds of device forms, whether it's a tablet, whether it's a phone, whether it's an iPad or any device screen. Okay, so to show you around our pages we did, if you go to the about page, it's going to explain for your understanding how our image everything works. Then if you go to the services, yeah, so these are the services we do, and then our team. So these are pictures. This done or done. So web an AI software engineer, very passionate. So, and then Abuaji said software engineer, very passionate, and me myself, Raphael Okan, AI and ML engineer, very passionate and enthusiastic about it. Okay, so to get to our contact, tap into the contact page, and then yeah, so this is our location, right in Accra, the University of Ghana. That's where you can find us, but we wouldn't be there for a long time. No, we'll be graduating soon, so you should definitely give us a call, or our LinkedIn and everything is provided. So you can also send a message too if you want to log out. Just simple, just log out, and you can log in again once you are done. So guys, there goes this a short and brief introduction and a detailed one on how our app works. I give you a detailed explanation on how everything works, so you should probably have no issues if you want to use our app, or how to emulate this project. It's very simple, as you've seen here. So this is actually how we did it. You can also do it. You can also contact us if you need help with your projects on software engineering, AI, ML. We'll do everything for you real quick, because we are very enthusiastic and passionate about what we do. We ain't joking. Okay, so yeah, so there you have it. I will just zoom. We'll just end there and leave you so that you go and check out the site for yourself. Thanks for staying around, and see you soon. Catch you up in the next round. Thank you.